All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Wednesday night business presentation call. My name is June Collier, VP of Marketing with myEcon, and I want to thank you for tuning in to the business presentation call here. Again, we're going to jump straight into it. myEcon. myEcon. What is myEcon all about? myEcon is short for My Economy. It is a company that the founders, when they created this company, they wanted to create a company that focused on the individual's personal financial success. And so we call ourselves the Personal Financial Success Company. Now, as we go through this presentation tonight, I want to just talk a little bit about the company itself so that we set it up so that you know who we are. myEcon is a 13-year-old debt-free, technology-driven company based in Atlanta, Georgia, and myEcon has helped its associates generate over $400 million in cash flow. Now, when we talk about personal financial success, everyone has a different definition. So that we're all on the same page tonight, let's give you the definition that myEcon has. myEcon says that personal financial success is having enough cash flow to support our lifestyles during our working years as well as during our retirement years. You see, during our working years, we go to work through jobs, and then during our retirement years, we generate our income through our investments or our assets. And so myEcon wants to talk and teach you how to make sure that you have assets and have the cash flow that you need during your retirement years. Let's talk about attaining financial success. You know, when you attain financial success, in order to do that, you need more cash flow and better financial strategies. Now, more cash flow by itself isn't enough. We all know superstars, entertainers, athletes that have made millions of dollars and have gone broke. And they've done so not because they didn't have cash flow, but because they didn't have the better financial strategies. Now, myEcon has a membership called the Income Shifting Membership. I'm going to be talking about that membership here tonight. And that membership, not only does that membership help you with your cash flow, but that membership allows you to also increase your business income and generate additional cash flow through the membership itself. So let's talk a little bit about the Income Shifting Membership. The Income Shifting Membership brings on some corporate perks. You know, we say membership has its privileges, and myEcon has some corporate perks with our membership. That includes things like complimentary ID protection. You know, we've got over $1 million policy that protects you should your ID be compromised. We also offer discount legal services that's included with your membership. Plus, we also have 5 new cash flow streams. And what I want to do is I want to go through those 5 new cash flow streams real quick. The first cash flow stream is correcting tax withholding. Our second cash flow stream is our smart credit system. Our third cash flow stream is minimizing taxes via the cash flow manager software. We also have debt elimination software as our fourth cash flow stream, and our fifth cash flow stream is investment education. Now, over the next several minutes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over each one of these 5 new cash flow streams, starting off with correcting tax withholding. You see, we know that that most people in America, over 80% of them, overpay in taxes, and we know that because they have too much money taken out of their paycheck for taxes. You see, in 2016, the IRS stated that 83% of the returns that came in resulted in a refund, and the average refund was about $31.50. Why is that important? Because your money has value. And when you loan your money to the government interest-free, you lose the value of that money. And so what myEcon does is we teach you how to correct that tax withholding so that you can maximize the take-home pay and then use that money to either eliminate debt, invest, or improve your lifestyle. Now, when most people do that, they usually realize a $200 to $500 increase on a monthly basis back into their household using cash flow stream number 1, which is correcting tax withholding. Let's talk about cash flow stream number 2, which is our smart credit system. Let's talk about the smart credit system. The smart credit system is designed to help you repair, build, and maintain your credit. You see, credit is very, very important. Our lives are revolved around credit. Many of you don't know it, but you see, credit determines what interest rate you pay on any loans that you have, a car loan, a home mortgage, or any other types of loans that you might have. But it doesn't stop there. Your insurance premiums often are based on credit scores. And then finally, many people who go out and get certain types of jobs, those jobs are dependent upon the person's credit score. And so our smart credit system allows you to learn how to fix, build, and maintain your credit so that you can stay ahead of the game. What about minimizing taxes via cash flow manager software? You see, I'm a big believer that if you are a taxpayer in America today, you should have a home-based business. Why? Because there are two tax systems in America. There's a tax system for the haves and a tax system for the have-nots. And when most people hear me say that, they think I'm talking about the rich and the poor, but I'm talking about those that have a Schedule C and those that have not. You see, with a Schedule C, you're allowed to write off all of these different types of business expenses that you might have in your business or in your life. Let's give you an example, car and truck expenses. Most people on this phone have a car or truck. When you have a home-based business, you can write off a portion of those car and truck expenses. Communications. Most people have some type of communication. That's how you're listening to me and watching me today is through your laptop, through your internet service, through your cell phone. All of those are communication devices that you have anyway. But when you have a business, you're able to write off a portion of those expenses. How about travel? Everybody loves to travel. We're in the summertime. People are going to be traveling for family reunions. They're going to be going to graduations, all different types of things. And when you travel, when you have a business, you're able to start writing off a portion of the airfare, a portion of the car rentals, a portion of the hotel stays, and even the meals that you eat while you're traveling. And then finally, we've got wages. Many of you have children on the call, and you can hire your children in your business and be able to pay them a wage and then use that wage to buy the things that you were going to buy them anyway. But now, because you shifted the money through your business in the form of wages, you now have a tax-deductible item that lowers your taxes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these are just 4 examples of many, many ways that you can shift your income and minimize your taxes via our cash flow manager software that tracks and keeps good records for your taxes. Now, let's talk about debt elimination. That's our 4th cash flow stream, getting rid of that debt. You know, they say that the borrower is slave to the lender. And what myEcon offers is debt elimination software. And this software allows you to eliminate your debt, which creates additional cash flow back into your pockets. Now, what I want to talk about today is just an example of what $1,000 can do in a debt elimination example. Now, you may be saying, where am I going to get that $1,000? Well, remember, we've corrected your tax withholding. You started minimizing your taxes. We've got your credit together. That's where that $1,000 of monthly debt elimination can come in. And in this example, we can eliminate a $300,000 debt in 91 months versus 30 years. That's right. That's what our debt elimination software will do. This is going to save you over $350,000 in cash flow. This is the interest that you would have paid if you just had paid the minimum balance. And then what that does is it frees up over $2,400 a month of cash flow that comes back into your pocket. This is money that you was used to service the debt. When the debt is gone, that money comes back into your pocket. Debt elimination is our 4th cash flow stream. Our 5th and final cash flow stream is investment education. You know, we're really excited about this because we offer comprehensive training when it comes to investing. We offer different terminology so that you understand all of the terms and the words that are used when it comes to investing. We have concepts and strategies that we teach around our investment education. And this is going to allow you to take that cash flow so that now you can start becoming an investor and allow your money to start working for you. Now, when we talk about myEcon, you know, myEcon is a business and we offer great products and services. We have a very powerful retail strategy. Some of our products and services include our smart credit repair system, our ID Defender, our cash flow manager. You see, these are products that come included inside of your membership. However, for those individuals that are not members of myEcon, you can actually sell these products to them, to the general public. And so these are some great products that the general public might want and can use. But it doesn't stop there. We have travel products where you can book travel. You can take advantage of our road assurance product. If you get broken down on the road, we've got a We've got a road package, road assistance package, as well as our very own cashback mall. You see, myEcon offers a very powerful retail strategy. We offer different products across different lines. Everybody can find something inside of myEcon that they could actually use. Let's talk about our world-class compensation. You see, when we talk about building a business, we have to talk about compensation. Now, if you decide to become a member of myEcon, you become a member of myEcon, you come in as a marketing director. Your first promotion is that of executive vice president. Now, to become an executive vice president is pretty simple. You either share the income shifting concept with two other people. When they get started, you get promoted to executive vice president, or you sell $200 worth of personal sales volume of those products that I mentioned earlier. And once that happens, you become an executive vice president. Now, as an executive vice president, you can earn up to 100% of personal sales volume and up to 85% of what your sales volume happens on your team. But it doesn't stop there. As an executive vice president, you earn $35 for every person that you personally sponsor into the business. That's $35 the very next Friday when they get started. And you also earn up to $25 for every person that comes on your team, people that you didn't even know, people that you didn't get started, but someone on your team got started. Ladies and gentlemen, that money adds up very quickly. But where the big money is in our unlimited residual income. You know, residual income is getting paid for something that you did once, and you get paid for that activity over and over and over again. Wouldn't it be nice if we went to our jobs and actually worked a full 8 hours and then got paid for that same 8 hours day after day, week after week, month after month? Unfortunately, our jobs don't work that way, but here in myEcon, it works that way, and it's even better. Not only do you get paid residual income for the work that you do, but you also get paid residual income for the work that people on your team do, to the tune of $5 to $10. So imagine you get started with myEcon. You've got 200 people in your business. This is not 200 people that you personally recruited, but you and your team working together. You produce 200 people. Ladies and gentlemen, that could put $1,000 a month of cash flow in your pockets on a monthly basis just for sharing with 200 people how to shift their income. Well, listen, if you can get 200 people, you can get 1,000 people on your team. 1,000 people on your team, you get paid $8 per person with 1,000 people on your team. That's a six-figure income. Ladies and gentlemen, myEcon has associates that have 200 people on their team, 400 people on their team, 1,000 people on their team, 2,000 people on their team. Anywhere that you want to put yourself in our compensation plan, there is room for you, and you can make some significant cash flow. So let's talk about what you need to do to get started today. What you get when you start today is a personalized website. It includes our world-class business system as well as our income-shifting membership. Now, if you forgot about the membership and what was included, it includes our tax withholding training. It also includes our smart credit system. It includes our tax cash flow manager software. It also includes our debt elimination software, our identity theft protection, as well as our free and discount legal services. Ladies and gentlemen, it's jam-packed. This is a jam-packed membership that offers so much value. And here's the surprising thing. It only costs you $19.95 one time, and then $34.95 30 days after month to maintain the membership. Now, that $19.95 is our summer special. Our summer promotion is coming to an end very, very quickly. So you want to jump on that $19.95 so that you can get that special. And then again, like I said, 30 days after that is $34.95. Now, here's the important part. All of it is tax deductible. All of it is tax deductible. You get valuable tax benefits. See, the membership is tax deductible. Here's what we say in myEcon. Let the government pay for it. You see, the cost of the membership, you save more money in taxes, more money in your write-offs than it costs you to actually be a part of myEcon. So if you're on this call and you're kind of sitting on the fence and you're thinking, should I get started? The answer is yes. You need to get started with myEcon today. Get back to the person that invited you to this call. Let them know that you want to start income shifting today, not tomorrow, but today. So with that being said, my name is June Collier, VP of Marketing here with myEcon. We're going to go ahead and stop the recording.